The Rogue is an incredible new off-grid energy system. Charge your devices anytime, anywhere on your next adventure. The Rogue is the most versatile free energy source to help you go further anywhere you go. In low wind conditions, just give your Rogue a spin. In light winds, spin Rogue for high-capacity off-grid power performance. Carry Rogue everywhere you go and keep one at home for unforeseen emergencies. Generate power when it's convenient to ensure USB charging is always available. Dead batteries can make you vulnerable at any location. With your support, we can help everyone go farther and stay prepared.